In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add macros in Confluence. If you're new to macros, think of them as powerful building blocks that add dynamic features to your pages, like tables of contents, panels, status labels, and more. They help organize content and make information easier to navigate. Start by opening your browser and heading to start.atlassian.com. Log into your account so you can access your Confluence spaces. On the left panel, choose the space you want to work in, then click the page where you want to add a macro. It's best to be on the page in edit mode so you can insert content exactly where you need it. Let's begin with the fastest option, the slash command. Click in the spot where you want the macro to appear, type a forward slash. As soon as you type the slash, a smart menu pops up. Begin typing the name of the macro you want. For example, type table to quickly insert a table of contents. You'll see matching options as you type, so you can pick the right one based on the name and description. When you see the macro you want, press enter and it will appear instantly at your cursor. This method is great when you already know the macro's name or have a clear idea of what you need. If you're not sure what to use, the visual method is very helpful. Look at the toolbar at the top of the editor and find the plus icon. Click it, then choose View More. This opens the macro browser, a dedicated window where you can explore hundreds of available tools. Here, you can scroll through categories, use the search bar to look up keywords, and read short descriptions to understand what each macro does. When you find the macro that fits your use case, select it and insert it into your page. This approach is perfect when you want to browse options or discover new capabilities without needing to remember exact names. A quick reminder, both methods insert the macro exactly where your cursor is, so place your cursor carefully before you add anything. If a macro doesn't look right, simply try another one until the layout and functionality match your needs. Different spaces and permissions may offer different sets of macros, so what you see can vary depending on your setup. That's it. 2 easy ways to add macros in Confluence. Type A/ for speed, or use the plus icon and the macro browser to explore. Thanks for watching.